Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Azure AI Search for RAG retrieval automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Azure AI Search for RAG retrieval automation, begin by accessing your Azure portal. Sign in using your organization's credentials. Once signed in, navigate to the Azure AI Search service you wish to use. Locate the Keys and Endpoint section in the left-hand menu. Here, you will find two keys and the endpoint URL. Copy one of the keys, as you'll need it for authentication. Next, open your preferred development environment or code editor. Install the necessary Azure SDK package, if not already installed. Make sure to include authentication libraries within your project. Begin by importing the Azure SDK package in your code. Next, create a configuration object that holds your endpoint and key. Assign your copied key to the authentication parameter in the configuration object. Now, establish a connection to Azure AI Search using your configuration object. Proceed to initiate a client instance for making requests to the service. Confirm that your client is connected by making a simple test query. If the connection is successful, you will receive a response from Azure AI Search. Next, ensure your queries are structured according to the Azure AI Search API requirements. Use appropriate headers for your requests, including the authorization header with your key. Test additional queries to validate that your authentication is functioning correctly. If you encounter errors, verify your endpoint and key are correctly configured. Adjust your code as necessary based on the responses received. Once everything is verified, you can proceed to implement RAG retrieval automation in your application. Regularly update and secure your keys to maintain proper authentication protocols. Monitor your Azure usage to stay within limits and optimize performance. With successful authentication, your application is now ready to utilize Azure AI Search for RAG retrieval automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.